Hi everyone, Anna at the Sewing Studio here. We've been busy bats making things for our Halloween window and thought we'd share them with you to give you some ideas of what to make. We have a selection of different pumpkins. These are super easy to make. We took inspiration from some patterns online, links to which you can find below. This type of one, you'll find a template in those patterns to make this section. They're just very simply stitched together to make the circle. We pop some rice in the bottom of there, to give it some weight and also help with the pumpkin shape. And then there's some embroidery floss pulled in between to emphasize the shape again. This one is exactly the same. This is the same, but it's with felt. So you have your shapes and then they're sewn together with a little whip stitch to give some detail and get your pumpkin shape. These types of one are slightly different. They are just a piece of fabric, a rectangle of fabric, sewn in half and then gathered at the top, gathered at the bottom, and then using the cord to give the pumpkin shape. Now the tops, you can do anything that you like. We've done some different leaves and added some embroidery detail to emphasize them. There's some felt tops. This one is just very simply a piece of felt rolled up and then cut into the top. A cinnamon stick with some ribbon, or you could even make a little spider. We also have a treat basket which uses the same template as this one, but it's very simply cut off about a third of the way down. It's also lined, so it could be reversible, and the little face on the front is out of some felt and stuck on with a hot glue gun, which is my favourite piece of kit. And then we have some bat bunting. Again, this is really easy. They're layered up with some Halloween fabric and some felt, and they're stuck together with heat and bond. The template for this bat you can find in the links below. You just cut it out and then hot glue gun with your ribbon, and that's also reversible. And last but not least, we have the cat. He's made using some Moda Grunge fabric, and you can find the pattern for this one in a link below. We hope that's given you some inspiration, and happy Halloween.